Okay, so this is section 7.3 extension. So this is adding on to what we've already learned in 7.3. And today we're gonna have a different kind of answers. We're not gonna actually have like x equals 2 as an answer, okay? So starting off with number 1, this is a multi-step equation. What would I need to do first? With my steps, I need to do the parentheses first. So I have to distribute the parentheses. So on the left-hand side, I'm really not going to do anything at first, so I'm just going to rewrite that. And on the right-hand side, I'm going to distribute. So 2x, and then minus 2, and then I still have that plus 2 I need to carry down. Okay, so my next step would be to combine like terms. Okay, so I need to combine minus 2 plus 2. Okay, so now I have 2x minus 4 equals 2x. Okay, so my whole goal is to get x's on one side, numbers on the other. So at this point, I would subtract 2x. So negative 4 equals, and then what is 2x minus 2x?
0.
0, no x, just 0. So it's a no solution because negative 4 does not equal 0. So this is no solution. So you do need to have this as your answer as well as showing that you got no solution. Okay, so don't just get to this point right here and not actually write no solution because that is your actual answer. Okay, number 2. So I need to start by distributing my parentheses. So 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times negative 4/3. That's a negative 4. And on the right-hand side, I'm just going to rewrite that. Okay, so I would do what next? Okay, I don't have any terms to combine on this each side. Subtract 3x. Okay, so that's going to cancel out all the x's, and I'll have negative 4 equals 2. So that's not true. So this is no solution. We're going to learn another solution. But yes, that happened. Okay. Next one. So look and see, you don't have any parentheses. So you need to check, do you have any like terms on the same side? We don't have any like terms. So then we're going to move our x's. So we're going to subtract 4x. So then we would have left 18 equals 5. Which is no solution. Because 18 doesn't equal 5. What number is this?
3.
3, okay. I want you guys to do, I want you to try number 4. So try number 4. Okay, so first step I would do would be to combine my like terms. So negative 5x minus x is negative 6x. And then I need to carry down the plus 7. Then over here, I'm going to bring down what I had on the right. So then my next step would be to move this negative 6x. So I would add on both sides, which then makes that 0. So I get 7 equals 2. Sorry, so this is 7 equals 2, so that would be no solution. Okay, so number 5. What do we need to start with? First, we have to do our parentheses. So I'm going to carry down this negative 4x. I need to distribute a 3. So 3 times x would be 3x. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. And then I have this negative right here. This is kind of confusing to some people. This would be the same as a negative 1. So negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. Okay, so now my next step would be to combine like terms.
What's the next homework? Oh, hi, where's the recording at?
Sean.
All right, bye.
So now my next step is to combine like terms. So negative 4x plus 3x would be negative 1x, or just negative x, minus 3 equals negative x minus 3. Okay, so next I would put my x's together. So I'm going to add x to both sides. And then I end up with negative 3 equals negative 3. Okay, so does negative 3 equal negative 3? Yes, that is true. So when it happens to be a true statement, your answer is infinitely many solutions.
What's that?
It means that there's an infinite number of answers for this problem. So you can also write that as infinitely many if you want to. So it means there is an unlimited number of answers for this problem. And that happens when you have the same thing equals the same thing. Okay. Number 6. So I would start out with my parentheses. So distribute the 2. So 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. And then I need to carry down the positive 6x. And then distribute the 4. So I would have 8x minus 4 plus 2. Okay, so now I need to combine like terms. So I need to put together my 2x and 6x. Okay, so I get 8x minus 2. And on the right-hand side, I need to combine negative 4 plus 2. What did you get? Negative 2. So 8x minus 2. Okay, so what do you notice has happened? They're the same thing on each side. Okay, so this would be infinitely many.
Why is it not just infinite solutions?
It's a great question. It's always written as infinitely many solutions. I don't know. I didn't invent this. I'm not sure. I don't know why the word many is in there. But you can write it as like I would accept it if you wrote infinitely many or infinitely solutions or something like that. That's fine. Okay. What's going on here? This one.
It's already.
It's the same thing, and you can already determine that. Like we have no question whether this is the same on both sides. So this is infinitely many. Okay, so then I want you to try this last one. Which looks like some of you already started it or have done it. All right, so I have to combine like terms right here. So I'll end up with 3x minus 16. And then here I have to do 8x minus 5x, which is 3x minus 16. And so at this point, you probably would notice that they're the same. You could also subtract 3x and end up with negative 16 equals negative 16. Okay, so this is infinitely many solutions. And this is your assignment for this